1969, the New York Times was printing climate hysteria. From an expert called Paul Ehrlich, quote, "We must realize that unless we are extremely lucky, everybody will disappear in a cloud of blue steam in 20 years. Now, back then, of course, climate change didn't mean global warming, it meant a new ice age. In 1970, the Boston Globe reported, quote, "Scientists predict a new ice age by 21st century. In 1972, Brown University's science department sent a letter to the White House explaining that they had deep concern with the future of the world because this ice age falls within the rank of processes which produced the last ice age." 2 years later, in 1974, The Guardian reported that, quote, "Spy satellites show new ice age is coming fast." In 1977, the actor Leonard Nimoy.
What scientists are telling us now is that the threat of an ice age is not as remote as they once thought.
But by the early 1980s, when the ice didn't arrive, well, the experts decided the problem wasn't too much cold, it was too much heat. It was global warming. In 1989, the Associated Press ran this story, quote, "A senior UN environmental official says entire nations could be wiped off the face of the earth by rising sea levels if global warming trend is not reversed by the year 2000. News organizations exist to bring you the news, to assess whether things are true or not. But if all of them collude to hide lying, you have to ask, is there something else going on here? Al Gore also said there would be no ice in the Arctic. He quoted researchers, climate researchers, experts, and he explained that, quote, "The North Pole will be ice-free in the summer by 2013 because of man-made global warming." In 2008, the Associated Press reported that according to a top NASA scientist, in 5 to 10 years, the Arctic will be free of sea ice in the summer. John Kerry, now our climate czar, cited that very same science in 2009. Watch.
In 5 years, scientists predict we will have the first ice-free Arctic summer.
Here's Joe Biden.
The latest climate report, nothing less than, quote, "code red for humanity." Let me say it again, code red for humanity.